Hello there, 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. It's Miss Hess here. I'm doing this video to remind you how to check out electronic books and audio books. So both of those types of books are to be viewed on electronic devices, which is what our whole world is about at the moment, right? So I'm going to go over the process of that. I've bookmarked MackinVIA on my Google Chrome. I hope that you do the same. It makes access super easy, right? And then remember the login process, HAINER. Once you get that first part right, it will autofill for you, and then choose Heidelberg. Okay, and then log in. And then I'm going to sign in with Google. Because I've been in here so many times, it won't have me do my password. If it's the first time you're logging into MackinVIA, you will definitely have to do it the first time. Okay. So it's going to load my account up. Okay, perfect. All right, so first stop will be eBooks. There have been a few eBooks that have been added over the past week. So we are now up to 2,194 eBooks. Okay? So, you know, there's different ways to look for eBooks. Of course, one is just to kind of scroll down and look that way. How about this? This one looks interesting to me. 13 and a half incredible things you need to know about everything. So, you know, you can open an ebook right on the spot and just look at it, or you can go ahead and check it out. You can open it and then check it out, but I'm going to demonstrate the checkout process, right? It's as easy as clicking the button. Okay, and then it will show me that this ebook is due in 6 days and 18 hours. Okay, good to know. So if I go back up to the top of the page again, now I'll show you our audiobook link. We don't have many audiobooks, but there are some. There's a whopping 31 in there. Okay, so I'm going to look down. Let's see, what do I want to try? How about The Bug in the Jug Wants a Hug? All right, so same kind of idea as the ebooks. I could listen now to that audiobook, or I can go ahead and just check it out, which I will do. Okay, so far I have one audiobook and one ebook. Just one other thing that I want to show you, if I go back to my ebooks, you can also search resources up in that search bar. So let's say, I always like to use dogs as an example. I love dogs, so I'll go ahead and put dogs in that search and then enter. And it says I have 56 electronic books that relate to dogs. Okay, because of Winn-Dixie. Oh my goodness, that's an awesome ebook. Let's see. I'll go ahead and check out this Big Dog, Little Dog. Okay, and if I click on checkout, it will go into my backpack, which I'm going to show you next. Okay, so let's say I don't have time to look at either the audiobook or the ebooks that I've checked out, and say I have to go off and do something else, and I want to log back in later and get one of those books. So all you need to do is click up top where it has your name. So I click there, and then you can go to checkouts to see what you have. Okay, so it will show you what you have checked out. You can open it from here, and then off you go to read it. And it will tell you when it is due. Now, right now, I don't have the option to renew, but as you get closer to it, I think it's like a day or two when it gets close to being due, it will add another button down here that will say renew. So you can renew eBooks if it's getting close, okay? So let's say this afternoon I sit down and I read this 13 and a Half Incredible Things book, and I'm done with it. Now, I don't want to just leave this in my backpack to tie up that book because, you know, there aren't a ton of ebooks. So I want to free this book up to others, okay? So all I need to do is click on the return button, and you will see, boom, it disappears from my checkouts, okay? Same thing, the bug in the jug wants a hug. I've already read this book. Click on return. Boom. And I'll go ahead and try the Big Dog, Little Dog. Okay, and my account is all clear of ebooks and audiobooks. So that's the process. Hope you guys will take advantage of this. You might be running out of books by now, so luckily we have some ebooks available for you. Okay, guys, keep well. Please use the MackinVIA. Such a great resource. Keep well.